This is what I do to clean my desktop when it's too cluttery. I open my PC, go to desktop, and I create a new folder, and I call it desktop. July was today, 13th, 2022. Then I select everything by doing Control A, and then I hold Control. I let go, I hold Control, and then I click on desktop, that one, because I'm going to drag everything in there. And then I also go and I hold Control again. I click all these shortcuts because I don't want to hide the shortcuts. Alright, and then I look, okay, there's some more here. And that's it. You can tell they're shortcuts with this little arrow right here. And I scroll down, and if you're missing anything, let's say you open a project for Photoshop or Premiere Pro or anything, Word, and it says can't find document, then you know where to look for it. And it's going to be in this folder now. So here it is. I have all this stuff. Make sure I don't have anything else that I don't want to move. But yeah, you see that? Now it's going to look nicer. So now I'm going to drag all that. Okay, here's the Google Drive shortcut also. So I should have done by type. Oh, and reset everything. So we're going to select all, deselect all the shortcuts. Okay, and then we're gonna deselect the desktop July 13th. Okay, we're gonna just drag everything in there. Doop. And there you go, 6.25 gigs, and just like that, let's move that there. And you can breathe again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.